Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I will show you how to create a private server in Blox Fruits. First, go to the Blox Fruits game page on Roblox. You don't need to start the game. Just navigate to the games page where you can manage settings. Scroll down and you will see the option to create private server. To create a private server, you will need 200 Robux. If you have enough Robux, click the Create Private Server button. You will be asked to enter a name for your server. This name will be used to identify your private server. Once you have chosen a name, click Buy Now to confirm the purchase and create the server. After the purchase is complete, you will have access to customization options for your private server. You can configure various settings such as allowing friends to join. To do that, toggle this option to allow your friends to join your server. You can also send out private invites. You can generate a private server link and share it with your friends. They can join your server directly from their browsers using the link. If your friends are on your friends list, they should be able to find your private server at the top of the server list and join with a single click. That's how you can create a private server in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.